Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm gonna show you the best way to remove the noise from your sounds in Davinci Resolve 17. Let's get started. So we are here now in the Fairlight page of Davinci Resolve and we will record right now. And we're gonna mute because I don't want to hear my voice. I'm gonna record the voice just so you know what to do step by step. So we are recording at this very moment. Make sure there are no sounds in the background. The noise from the AC or laptop fans can be slightly removed. Press record and leave it for 10 seconds. So okay, that should be enough. It is recommended to do this for every microphone you use, since it has different noise floors or different frequencies affected. The second step, you can start recording your voice as I am doing right now. I'm gonna stop it right here. I'm gonna click this R button to disarm the recording so it won't record anymore. Because I have the voice already recorded, I'm gonna unmute. So we are recording at this very moment. This is what we recorded. So let's start with the noise reduction. Go here to the track minus the second one, and I double clicked here and wrote voice recording because that's what I will do on this track. I'm gonna click right here on the plus, go to restoration and noise reduction. Now we're gonna make him listen to our quiet sound. We're gonna feed him actually the noise reduction data, the noise data, and we're gonna let him listen for about 10 seconds, as long as we recorded the silence. We're gonna go here, make sure the manual option is checked and click learn. Now we're gonna start playing, pressing here or space. And press space again right after some sounds getting in right here, my voice. Now we have the output options, which is dry, wet. This is the value applied of the noise reduction. So we're gonna listen and increase and decrease the dry and wet values of the output. And you're gonna see the difference. Let's get to the start and click space or play. So we are recording at this very moment. Make sure there are no sounds in the background. The noise from the AC or laptop fans can be slightly removed. Press record. Okay, let me show you how it sounds on the silence part right here. I'm gonna disable and enable this thing right here, this toggle. Okay, did you hear the difference? That is a very, very big difference. And this is the way you can clean your voice recordings. And the tool is very useful, as you see. Also make sure that the sound is not hitting the red part right here, because this would affect your audio. It won't sound very good, very pleasant. Are recording at this very moment. Make sure there are no sounds in the background. As you see, mine stays in the yellow zone where it should be. That's about it. I hope you liked my video. If you want to see more, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, and there are a couple of videos in which I explain different things.